Mongol rider at Audio Motorsports getting his Harley sound system upgraded to be loud. Lid speaker kit for Harley Davidson 2014 and upgrade. We are upgrading this Harley Road Glide with the first speaker setup. Must remove the tank. We run our cables in a shredded loom for extra protection. Our amplifier fits nice and snug inside the fairing. We solder each single wire, then shrink wrap it. And finally, we
I've been searching for someone to share what's special with me. Because I have that girl. In your face I see, and I think you touch it. We are special girl.
Watching AMStv.